Are you guys ready to see this? Hi, Luna. Do you love your new room, huh? Hi, welcome back. It's Lydia, the Budget Lady, and I'm excited to give you this room tour. So I have 3 saving money tips for you that helped us make this dream come true happen, and I just want to share this with you guys. So let's begin. Tip number 1, we set a budget goal. We met with contractor, we did some research, and we understood how much this project's going to cost us. So we budget around 25 grand, and we started to save like maniacs. We just started saving, side hustle. And we avoided taking personal loan from a bank because of the high interest rate and fees. And so saving our own money in a saving account and using your own money instead of taking out a 5-year loan, you can save so much money that way. When we reached that goal, we were ready to execute and make this room happen. Tip number 2, a home decor kind of tip, saving money tip, is shop from your home. I love decorations. I have so much of it, whether I go to Goodwill or Hobby Lobby. I do have a lot of home decor. My husband pointed that out the other day. And so I decided, you know what? I'm not buying any home decor for this room. I'm going to shop for my home. I'm going to make it happen. And guess what? It fit perfectly. I was so impressed. I went to my attic and I found some items like the glass jars, vase, and that I had it for my previous home, and say, hey, this is gonna work so great. It's gonna be a nice touch of pop of color. And so that's what we did. Most of the decor here in the lamps that you see in this video is from my home that I have from my previous home. So definitely look into shopping from your home. And tip number 3, whatever furniture that doesn't work, we have furniture from our porch that we know we won't be able to use it anymore. We actually sold it on Facebook Marketplace. So any other items that we had around the house that wouldn't fit in this room, we decided to sell that too. So we actually earned some money into buy our new stuff. We were able to buy a nice carpet, some furnishing for this room. And real quick, I'm not a sponsor on these furnishing, but I found a great deal in a couple places like Overstock, Bob's Discount furnishing, and at home. These are and Walmart. We found the majority of these furnishing here at these places, and they save us so much money. I mean, these 2 chairs only cost us $500. There was like a set of 2 for $500, and they're recliners. Let me show you real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me some like. And this year, my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Definitely, please help me out. Hit the subscribe button. I'll be sharing you more saving money tips coming your way. If you want to see more of my videos, click right here. And once again, if you want to subscribe to my channel, click right here. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Take care and God bless.